Hello, and I am here to talk about this week's topic, me who only wants to do things my way. And this topic actually resonated with me a lot as a mom, as a leader in my organization, as an eldest daughter. A lot of that mind has really given me a big ego. After really reflecting, I realize when I do things only my way, I'm actually closing my mind to other perspectives, whether it be my children, whether it be coworkers, whether it be like everyday people. When I shut that out, my acceptance mind decreases substantially. So as I reflected with this topic, I realized when I throw away that ego mind of only doing things my way, I'm able to accept others much faster and have even better ideas, work within my community, have teamwork a lot easier and a lot faster. And I would say another big reflection of this is understanding that my way might be okay for me, but when it impacts others, it might not be the best solution. So as I throw away, realizing that when we really reflect on accepting others, that you have a big support system around you. The universe is here and really guiding us through. So really grateful for this week's topic, and I hope you enjoy and reflect this week.